I am part of a movement rooted in compassion, resilience, and equity. My work is impactful, my voice matters, and together we create healthier, stronger communities. I am grounded, I am capable, and I am enough to face the challenges ahead. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Public health has always been about people, about ensuring that every person in every community has a chance to live a full and healthy life. But today, and in these last few weeks, the path ahead feels heavy. The challenges we face are immense, and the systems we work within often seem too slow to meet the urgency of the moment. Yet, here we are today, showing up as a public health student, as a public health professional, or just as an advocate. We step forward not because the work is easy, but because the work is necessary. Because we know that lives depend on what we do today, tomorrow, and the years ahead. This work requires more than knowledge and skill. It demands courage and connection. It asks us to center ourselves, to ground our purpose in the communities we serve, and to hold on to the belief that change is possible, even when progress feels slow. So, to that, I ask that you first find your rest, then you work to build up the forces to tackle these systems. You are not alone in this. Across the country, across the world, others are working just as tirelessly to tackle inequities, to challenge injustices, and to create systems that serve everyone, no exceptions. Together, we are building something bigger than ourselves, something that will outlast us. This is hard work, and it is also deeply human work. So as you move forward, take a moment to care for yourself. Before diving back into the important work of public health and equity, take a moment to rest and recharge. Rest is not a luxury. It is a necessity for sustaining the energy and passion that this work demands. Spend time with loved ones, embrace the joy and connection they bring, and allow yourself to step away, even briefly, from the weight of your responsibilities. These moments of rest and reflection strengthen your ability to show up fully, not just for others, but for yourself. Remember, caring for yourself is a vital part of caring for the world because what you're doing matters. Your commitment to public health and health equity matters. And no matter how daunting the path ahead feels, know that you are making a difference. If you're looking for a place to connect, grow, and find support with others who share your passion for public health, I invite you to join my free community. It's a space for students and professionals like you where we can learn, strategize, and uplift one another as we work towards creating a healthier, more equitable world. Click the link below to join us. Let's build something amazing together. And it's free until my birthday in March 2025, so join today. Stay grounded, stay connected, and remember, the work continues because of people like you. Let's keep going together. And let's end with I am part of a movement rooted in compassion, resilience, and equity. My work is impactful. My voice matters. And together, we create healthier, stronger communities. I am grounded, I am capable, and I am enough to face the challenges ahead. Breathe in and out. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll link some of my favorite mental health resources in the show notes or below. So be sure to check that out. Make sure to take time for yourself and happy to connect and help in any way that I can. Hope that everyone's well. Have a good holiday season and talk to you all soon. Peace.